Hello friends, welcome to Indian Pacific. Today we will learn a simple Hello World Java program. So for this I have created one test. It is a test file. Its name is test. Now we have to make sure that what is the extension of this file. So it must be a Java. You can see the extension type is Java. Now I am going to open this file. So in this file you can see I have written a simple syntax of creating a Java and I have written one method inside. Its name is main. Now let's understand each and every word. So what is the class? Class is a keyword in Java. This keyword is used to create the class. Test is the name of the class. It should be always start with the capital letter. In this class I have created one method. Its name is main. Its return type is void. It's a static method and its access modifier is public. Its argument is string. Its names are args, args. Now what is this public? So public is an access modifier. That means how this method is accessible to other world. Static is also a keyword like a class, but there is a separate concept that we will learn. For that also I will separately upload a video for that. What is static block? Static keyword is used for static variable, for static methods, when to create the static methods. So this is the static keyword. Now void is a return type of this method, and main is the method name. To understand simple things about the method, let me create a simple method like public void get data. So as of now this method is not returning anything. This is the simple syntax to creating a method. I have created one get data method. Yes, public is an access modifier, void is the return type, get data is a method name. You can give any method name like print data also, but you have to follow some coding convention when you are writing Java methods. If you know C and C++, then you also already know that there are functions are there in C and C++. The same thing in Java, it is called methods. Method can have also return type. Like suppose the method is returning integer. This integer is a data type. We will see separately the concept of data types and everything. So it is returning integer, so we have to write return statement like this. It can be possible that your method have arguments. Here also integer is a data type. A and B are the names of the variables. So this is the simple syntax of method, that how to create the methods. But if you compare this method with this, you will miss static keyword. Now why static keyword is written here in the main method? Because in Java to call any method you need an object, and we do not have an object right now to call the main method. So your JVM will first, whenever you will running any program, your JVM will first invoke main method. So to invoke the method, JVM do not have a object. So that is why the static keyword is written here. So you can, if we make any method static in Java, then using a class name dot method name, we can call that method. We can use that method. So this is the simple understanding of public static void main method. Public is access modifier, static is keyword, it has a separate concepts. Void is return type, main is the method name. You cannot change the name of the method here. As we know that I have created recently one method get data, we can change name of that method because it's our method, okay. But here you cannot make a change of method name. This is a signature of main method, okay. This is the argument. String is also itself a class in Java. Like we have created a test class, same way string is also inbuilt class of Java. It is coming from Java library. Same way. Now let's understand this statement. So generally in interviews, the people are asking some question on a simple hello world Java program. Let me explain you that also. So here a system is a class. Like we know the string class is coming from Java library. Same way system class is also coming from Java library. This system class has one object, that is a static object. Its name is out. It's an object of printStream class. printStream is also inbuilt class in Java coming from Java library. So like we have a test class, there is one printStream class. So in system class they have defined one out variable or out object. It is a static. So to use static variable, object or method, we can use the class name. So here we have used system is a class and out object is defined inside the system class. That's why here we have written here system.out. Now we have object of the printStream class, so we can call the method of that class. So println is a method which is defined in printStream class. So what we have done here is we have first written a system class, then we are accessing a out object which is a static defined in system class, then we are calling a println method which is defined in printStream class. Whatever the argument we will pass here, let's say I am passing here Indian Pacific, then I am going to run this program. And first we have to actually compile this program. How we can compile this program? So first what you have to do, we have to go to the directory where this Java file is there. So my Java file is there here at examples directory. So I have opened the command prompt. I am going to the directory of example. Actually we are already at examples directory. So now to compile the Java program, how can we compile the Java program? So we will check that. There is one command, it's called javac. So this command we have to write like test.java. This is the syntax or with command javac that we can compile the Java program. Now you have to understand one thing here which is very important. Look, here only one test file is there. If you see here in the examples folder, there is no any other file. Now this is the Java file extension, right? Test.java. Now I'm going to compile this Java file. So it will create one class file. This class file is unreadable. It contains byte stream. Again we will see that how class file will get generated. I'm going to compile this class again. So again that Java file will generate. Now to run this program, we have to write command like java test. There is no extension. We have to write just Java and the class name. I'm going to enter this. You can see Hello Indian Pacific is printed here as we have written in this Java class, Hello Indian Pacific. Let's making some change in this WOR world. Okay, now I am saving this file. Again I am running this file. So there is no change in the output. Why? The reason is that if you are making any change in the Java file, you have to compile the Java file again, and again you have to create the class file. So I am going to compile this file again. Okay, file is compiled. If you want to check, the class file is generated. There is no need to delete the class file every time. It will be overridden automatically. So now this Java file is compiled and class file is already generated. Now I am going to run this program, Java test. So you can see output is get changed. It's a hello world. So one more thing that you have to understand here, the program is running based on the class file. It is not running Java file. Let me remove this Java file from here. I am placing this Java file on a desktop. Okay, now let's get back to that folder. So now you can see only class file is there. Okay, there is no Java file. So if I will run the program again with Java test, you can see this is the output. So you have to make sure that also that in Java the class file are running. First we are going to create a Java file. We will compile that Java file. Then we will create class file from that. Then we will run that class file. So output will come. So these are the things that you have to make sure. Now there are some questions that people can ask during the interview. That what is system, what is out, and what is println. Suppose you are a fresher and you are going for the Java developer interview, then interviewer can ask that what is system, what is out, and what is println. So simply you have to give the answer to them that system is a class, out is a static object defined inside the system class, and println is a method of print stream, and out is an object of print stream class which is defined inside system class. So we are calling println method through out object, and we are accessing this out object using system class. So system.out.println, and we are passing the string that hello world, so it will get printed. So system is a class, out is an object defined inside the system class, and it is print stream object, and println is a method of print stream. Okay friends, you learned everything about the hello world Java program. If you have any question, you can comment, and if you want to contact us, then you can reach us at www.indianpacific.in, and you can mail us at contact@indianpacific.in. Thank you.